How to recover deleted photos from Android internal storage. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you have accidentally lost or deleted essential photos from your Android device internal storage, then you don't need to worry. You simply need to follow the steps given on this video. The first step is restore photos from local backup. For that, you simply need to hop into settings. Scroll down. Select Google. Now tap All Services next to Recommended. Scroll down. Under Backup and Restore, select Backup button. Now you have to choose your account and after that select Backup now. Inside the backup details, you need to include photos and videos as well. And once done, you can easily restore photos from your local backup. If this step didn't work for you, go ahead to method 2. You can restore or recover photos from Google Photos. If you have saved your photos to cloud storage like Google Photos, you can quickly recover deleted pictures. Locate Google Photos and launch it on your device. Make sure to log into your account. And then you'll need to locate library icon at bottom of the screen. Currently there is no option on my Google Photos, so if you have any older version, you will find it. Tap on it and navigate to Trash folder, preview the deleted photos and select the ones you want to recover and tap Restore. After that, your photos will be back. If this step also didn't work for you, you can easily retrieve photos without backup, that is, using different kinds of powerful tools like iMyFone, Debug for Android. You can easily download and install it on your computer and then open the application and select Recover Phone Data. Make sure to connect to your computer and then click Start. The app will begin to scan, and after that, it will preview all the recoverable data displayed on the screen. Select files you want to recover and choose to save them on your phone or computer. And that's it. Within just a few steps, you can get your deleted photos back. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.